Hi friends, welcome back. Today I'm so excited to show you this video because I have a new eyebrow routine and I'm going to show you what I do. This was inspired by Genevieve, which this is Genevieve. If you are not following her on YouTube, you should be. And this is the video that this is inspired by. So it's kind of an opposite eyebrow thing. It's so cool. So I'm only gonna do one eyebrow, which is what she did, so you can really see the difference. So I'm gonna put back my hair. Okay, what you do now, this is Benefit products. They are known for their brow products. So the first thing you do is you take just like a regular spoolie, any spoolie, and I'm actually gonna take this Benefit one, and you just brush the eyebrows up, okay? So you're just brushing them up just like that. That's just the first thing you do. Okay, then that kind of gets them ready. Then the next thing you do is you take your Benefit 24-hour brow setter. Now, by the way, right now at Ulta, these three products that I'm using today are the minis, and they're 3 for $10 each, so $30, 3 for $30. So run down to Ulta, and I'm gonna do an Ulta video, and I'll link that below. So, and I'll link Genevieve's video below. And by the way, if you're not subscribed, why not? Shame on you, subscribe right now. So, because I have so many good ideas for you and so many things I want to share with you. So I try to put out weekly videos with tips and tricks for living your best life in your 50s or whatever age you are. I had my girlfriend tell me, you know, she's binge watching my videos. So go back and watch all my videos because I got a lot of good ones. Okay, so let's just get to it. So you take the 24-hour brow setter, and it has two sides to it. You're going to start with the full side, okay? And you just brush up your eyebrows. Okay, actually, okay, do you see these wispy? Do you know that brow setter also doubles as taming your crazy hair? Glad that. Didn't even plan on telling you that hot tip. I've told you that one before. Yeah, so use a clear brow setter to tame your flyaway hairs, which I just realized I have a bazillion of them. Oh, because I did my hair, Harmonize Beauty, I'm gonna link that below too. So, okay, back to the brows. So we're just gonna brush them up. Okay, so this is driving me crazy. There we go. Sorry guys, I digress. Okay, so there you go. So you just brush them up. Then you use the little small flat side, and you're just gonna push them up more. And it just really gets in there. That flat side gets like really tighter because it's like closer to the skin. Okay, so you brush that up. Okay, that's number one. 24-hour brow setter, that's what that looks like in the box, okay. Then, number two, you use the Gimme Brow, and I have the Gimme Brow, the 4.5. Again, this is the mini, $10 at Ulta. And it is, oh, and by the way, this is the difference if you want to know the difference. This is the mini of the brow setter. Look at how, I mean, obviously it is the mini, so using minis here today. Okay, so this is 4.5. And again, this is just a tinted, again, brow setter. And you're just gonna brush up like that on, no, yeah, just like that, brushing up. Look at it already. Can you already see? Now what's different about this video is usually you put your brow color on and then you use the brow setter at the end. No, we're using it at the beginning. It's the exact opposite, but I love the way this turns out. Okay, so the third thing you're gonna do is get the Eyebrow. It looks like this in the box, okay? The Eyebrow, this is a pomade, and check this out. So you unscrew the top, but watch this. Take this off, and guess what? The brush is inside it, then boom, pop it right in there. Hello, now we have a pomade brush. Okay, so you dip it in the pomade, just like that, and then you just start filling in your brows. And I like to go up a little bit and down. And it just fills them in. This is just more of a natural look, I feel like, and not as dramatic, but it has a dramatic effect, but it's not like, hello, these are my eyebrows. So anyways, you keep going. Put this on, just like that. And just really fill those in. And again, go with the shape of that you already have, basically, but you just enhance it and follow the shape and just fill in. Everyone's brows are different, so you just, and then just, and you go down just ever so slightly longer than, okay, can you see the difference there? How great is it? And it's very lifting because it's like raising up, you know, raising up your brow. Okay, so that's basically it. Then we just end with the Brow pomade. Let's see, no, you end with more Gimme Brow. Okay, at the very end, but guess what? It's always good to put a little concealer under your eyes. So wait, hold on, gotta pull it out, sorry. And I'm just gonna use the concealer from NARS. Just put a little on your, you know, concealer brush and just kind of clean that up under there, like that. Okay, that just kind of cleans it up a little. And then you end, again, last thing, with the Gimme Brow. And just to finish it off with that. And it just gives such a good natural look to it, but it fills it in. I'm telling you, eyebrows, they're anti-aging. It's youthful, and look at the difference. Can you even believe that? Hi. This eye makes me look tired. This one like, hello, I'm bright and shiny. So there you go, guys. So I hope this helps. I will link the videos for the hair from Harmonize Beauty. I'll link, oh, and by the way, my makeup is Naked Honey, and I did do a video on that Naked Honey palette. So I'll link that below too, but check that out. What a difference. What a difference a brow makes. So don't forget to subscribe, and I love you. Don't forget, love God, love others, and try to stay calm. I know we're shutting down again. Go to the grocery store and stock up on food, because it looks like we're gonna be cooking at home for a while. But anyways, stay positive. I love you guys. And until next time, bye.